How to use OOI. OOI is a very useful Jamaican word. Use it the right way and you could earn your honorary salt mackerel or oxtail gravy stain. However, use it the wrong way and you could end up in what Jamaicans call a preke.
The first use to get someone's attention. Oi, where you go? I know your bathroom that, no go in there. Replying to a call, female edition. Aunt Edith! Oi! Replying to a call, male version. Mass Purchell! Oi! To call someone. Palette Oi! This next one I call to announce that you're coming, aka Game of Thrones, hold door. But in Jamaica we say, hold dog! Opatapiado! Hold dog! To tell someone to stop. Reverse back, reverse back no man, reverse back. Oi, oi, oi. To tell someone to shut up. Oi! One last thing, never use oi to someone older than you or you might end up get a box.